Good morning students. How are you? Now class 3rd. Today we are going to start new chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is TuxPaint. TuxPaint is a magnificent drawing program designed for children. Unlike other drawing painting programs, this program has numerous creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing software. Now, this is the definition of TuxPaint. Now, what are the features of TuxPaint? TuxPaint is a free of cost software. TuxPaint has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about TuxPaint. Various types of tools help to bring out the best creative designs. You can add personalized stamps on your drawing once you finish it. Funny sound effects are played when you choose any tool. You can load and save images directly as thumbnails and there is no requirement to specify a file name. Now, opening TuxPaint. These are the steps to open a TuxPaint. Number 1, click on Start button. Number 2, choose all program. Number 3, select TuxPaint. And number 4, full screen option. Now, what is Paint tool? Now, when you open TuxPaint, this image will appear and then these are the options. Now we will study these options in detail. Now first is Paint tool. What is Paint tool? Whenever you start TuxPaint, Paint tool is chosen by default. It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is just like the brush tool in MS Paint. You can use it to draw freehand images or sketches as you choose various brush shapes available in its sub-toolbox. Now, let us start drawing a picture using the Paint tool. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of pointer changes from a hand to a paintbrush. Select the black color from the color palette and start drawing the front part of the school bag. Now, choose red color and draw a small curve. You can see it as shown in the figure. Select blue color and draw curves line for making zips as shown in the figure. Now what is sub toolbox? It is an exclusive feature of TuxPaint. For every tool in TuxPaint, you have numerous options of brush shapes, special effects in the sub toolbox. You can select any brush shape from the sub toolbox on the right hand side. You have more than 50 different shapes but only a few are used. Now types of brushes. What are the types of brushes? Number 1 is haze brush shape. It is a unique sub tool which has a hazy appearance. You can use it to draw objects that are far away, as you see it in this figure. Select the Paint tool. Choose the haze brush shape and select orange color to draw the sun. Likewise, select green color and show the flowers as shown in the figure. You have learned how to use the haze brush. Now what is Magic tool? An extraordinary feature of TuxPaint is the Magic tool. You can use the Magic tool to draw and give amazing effects to a picture. Now see it in the figure. Select the Magic tool. Now apply some magical effects to your drawings. Bricks Magic. Select the Brick sub tool. The bricks effect fills bricks into the picture. Draw a wall using the bricks effect. Now just see it. This is the wall and these are the bricks effect. Blur Magic. This sub tool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. Let's check how it works. Select the Magic tool and then the blur effect from the sub toolbox. Apply it all over the boundary of the bag and see how it looks. You can use the blur effect as many times as you like. Using Fill tool. What is Fill tool now? It is used to fill color in an object. As you see it in the figure, the bag is filled with different colors. The Magic tool is already selected. Select fill tool and choose red color from the color palette. These are the color palette. Now bring the magic wand over the front position and click on it. The red color will be filled in the bag. Select green color and click on the zip to fill green color in them. Likewise, fill yellow color in the rest of the portion as you see here. Grass effect. Now what is grass effect? It is used to give grass effect in a drawing. Click on the magic tool and select the grass effect from the sub-tool box. Select green color from the color palette. Now draw some grass by clicking on the canvas as shown in the figure. Can you see? It looks like grass. Using flower tool. Click on the flower tool, which is a sub-tool of the magic tool. Select red color from the color palette. Bring the magic wand over the grass. Keep clicking on the grass area to add flowers on it. Likewise, select different colors to add colorful flowers on the grass. Now you can see it gives the effect of flowers. Stamp tool. It is a simple tool which is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawings. TuxPaint already has some inbuilt stamps. Additional stamps can be downloaded from the following website. Now these figures used as stamp tool. Select any one stamp from the sub-tool box. For more stamps, click on left or right arrow. Select the cake stamp. You can also increase or decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar just above the color palette in the sub-tool box. See? Now click on the canvas and stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the kite stamp and paste on the canvas. As you see it, this was 1 and then they have stamped it and it became 2. You can also create the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow key in the sub-tool box. Click on the mirror button. Now, pattern brush shapes. TuxPaint provides us an option to draw beautiful pattern using the paint tool. You can choose any of the pattern shapes from the sub-tool box. Let's see how many beautiful patterns you can make. Select paint tool. Now you will see the brush sub-tool box on the right hand side. Select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the system of a tree. The stem of a tree. Scroll down and select the vine shape. Select green color from the color palette. Move the pointer to the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Now see, first they have selected the stem and now leaves, vine and different things, and it looks like a tree. Now line tool. What is line tool? Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It works quite similar to the paint tool. The lines tool has the same brush shape in the sub-tool box as in the paint tool. The only difference between paint tool and line tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. This is the only difference. While using paint tool, you can see the image which you are drawing at the very moment. On the other hand, while using lines tool, you will see only a straight line from the starting point to the ending point. Now see, these are the straight lines from starting to the end point. The pattern appears only after you complete the line and release the left mouse button. Now follow the given steps to draw a pattern using the lines tool. For more, select the line tool and choose any pattern from the sub-tool box. Draw a straight line as shown in the figure. When you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern in place of that line. If you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined pattern. Now saving a file. Now after drawing, how do you save a file? It is very easy to use Save tool while using TuxPaint. There is no requirement to mention the file name. TuxPaint saves your file as a thumbnail, rather than giving it a file name. The naughty penguin assures that you have successfully saved your file. Now opening a saved file. Suppose you have already saved, and how do you open the saved file? Click on open button. To open an already saved file, all the images can be seen that have been saved in TuxPaint till date. Click on the image that you want to open and press open button. Okay, now with this we complete this chapter. Now this is the wrap up, the full gist of the chapter. So now students, now see what is TuxPaint, how TuxPaint works, the different tools are mentioned. Now students, I have prepared a worksheet for you to solve it, and you will find the answers either from the chapter or from wrap up. Now these are your exercise. I have solved fill-ups, true, false and 2 question answers, and rest of the question answers you will solve it by yourself, and you will write it in your notebook and learn it. And next time I am not going to give you solved exercise. You yourself will solve it. Okay, all the best.